here right now.
Why are you here right now, man?
I've been here.
For how long? How long have you been here?
What's your name?
My name's Jose. What's your name?
Juan Gomez.
Juan. That's good, man.
Juan Gomez.
That's a good name.
Okay.
So
Juan
why are you here
Gomez.
right now?
Rincon.
Huh?
Rincon.
Rincon? Like the taco place?
The Rincon.
Rincon Tarrino?
Don't worry about that shit. The Rincons.
What does that mean?
Whatever you wanna be.
That doesn't make any sense, man.
Okay, okay, well, okay. I'm
What is
trying
that?
to fucking cooperate with you.
What does that mean?
What the fuck?
What does that mean? You're trying to cooperate with me?
Okay, I'm gonna go that way then. Can you cooperate with that me right over there?
Yeah, hell yeah.
Is it kind of? Can you cooperate with you over there?
Can I what?
What?
Can I cooperate?
Yeah, with you, with me.
What does that mean?
Abby, hey. With this, okay.
You're playing the guitar?
Yes,
What song is that?
And the guitar.
What song is it?
Guitar with me.
You have to tell me what song you're playing
Play
though.
with me. Yeah, Yes.
I play guitar.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, I love
Yes.
to play the guitar.
You see this?
Yeah.
You see this wave?
Yeah, it's a guitar,
Wave.
like you're
Right here.
strumming.
Yes. Okay.
You're a songwriter.
Yeah, alright. Cool. You know, cooperate with me? Cooperate with me?
I don't know.
No? He does not know. You're cool?
I'm cool. How about you?
So, all that, gear that you have, can you, elaborate all the gear that you have?
Yeah, can you break dance and then I'll elaborate the gear.
No, I don't have no elaborate to me. I asked you, why do you elaborate all that equipment and you yourself?
I have no answer. I have no answer, man.
Why? Why
I don't know what to tell you because I don't know how I'm elaborating. How am I elaborating?
So I mean,
How is my cameras elaborating?
why do you have all that equipment?
Oh, why
on?
do I have it?
Yeah.
Because I'm filming.
Why?
It's a camera you use to take video.
Why?
Because it's for news purposes.
Okay, why though?
You like news or you don't like news?
I don't like news.
Oh, okay. Well then, why are you here watching the police then?
I'm not here to.
Why are you here asking questions? Because you want to be nosy. You want to ask why.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah,
Why,
so you
why-
like news then?
Yeah,
You like
yeah,
like to hear news.
yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So why are you in this type of attire?
Hey. You're right
Yeah. So
there.
why are you in this attire?
Why not?
No, why not, dude? I'm asking you. Why?
Yeah, exactly. Why not? Why not? Why aren't you in your attire?
Because I don't have the fucking proper. If you told me, okay, I will fucking.
that car? Were you in that car?
Huh?
You were in there?
No, dude.
You're not the one that ran from the cops?
Go back. Fuck you. Shit, dude. You see my face, right? You see my face?
No, you have a mask on.
Nah, you see my face?
No.
See, fucking anybody right now. I'm gonna fuck, bro.
You what?
Whatever fucking goes on right now and shit, it's what's going on and shit,
I don't understand.
This is my fucking spot is going on right now and shit, This is my fucking spot right here.
Oh yeah? You live here?
No, this is my spot right here, bro.
Where's your house?
Don't worry about that shit, bro.
Well, you said this is your spot, but I don't
Yeah,
see.
this is my spot, bro. The fuck?
What's that supposed to mean?
What do you want, fucking shit?
What do you mean?
What?
What does that mean?
Shit, bro.
What does that mean, bro? What does that mean?
Who are you?
Who are you?
Who are you?
I already told you.
Shit, I don't know, dude. You know me?
How do I know you?
I'm showing you right here, right now. My fucking face. You're on a fucking wrong face and shit, dude.
Huh?
What?
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 What'd you say?
What?
What'd you say? I don't understand your language, man.
Exactly, bro.
Look at that guy. That should be you right now, man.
Come on, bro. You're not.
That should be you right now, man. Go have some fun.
Don't be on that shit, bro.
This is your spot.
Don't be on that shit, bro. Come on, bro.
Don't be on it.
Don't be on that shit.
You're the one that's on it.
Don't be on that shit, bro.
You're on it.
Shit. Come on.
You don't like skateboards?
I love skateboarding.
Oh, do it.
Come on, bro.
Come on.
We're cool, man.
Yeah, we're cool, man.
I'm being cool with you, man.
Oh, you're being cool?
Yeah, bro.
I thought this was your spot, though.
What the fuck are you doing? Trying to be, bro? Are you guys?
You said this was your spot. I was just wondering. Is this your spot or not?
No, we're.
You like skateboards or not, man?
Who are you, dude?
This is the spot to ride
Who are you,
skateboards.
dude? Who are you?
This is the skateboard spot,
Who are
man.
you?
I already told you
Who
that.
are you, dude?
You weren't paying attention.
Who are you?
You weren't paying attention, man.
This is my facial, dude. This is my facial. Who are you?
What do you want, man?
What do you represent?
Are you drunk or?
No, yeah, I am drunk, dude. Who the fuck are you represent?
I represent myself.
Okay. Be right back.
Okay, be right back then. Hey, but don't hold your breath, okay? Hurry up. Hurry up. Is that Dale? Who's tripping? He's drunk as fuck. Huh?
That's why I said it just rolled. Don't even argue with that, man.
Oh. Is he back? You back? Oh shit, he's back. Is that him? standing right there with the cops?
I think so. He's like, why are the cops right there? I was like, they pulled over a van and the cops are here. He's like, yeah, but why are the cops here? I'm like, well, then just ask him if you want to know. He's all like, nah. He's all scared, nah. Alright. I don't know if you then. He's over there looking.
Dang! He's mad, huh?
What'd you tell him that you're mad?
I just kept on asking him questions.
Like people like himself?
He doesn't like questions.